Now before we start 2.5, we are supposed to learn some algebraic identity. Algebraic identities. Some we have learned in standard 8 and some we are going to learn in standard 9. Altogether you have to learn many algebraic identities. They are very much useful for factorization also and for getting the product of two algebraic expression also. Okay, it is useful in both way, to factorize also and to get the product also. Okay, to sum up also. First is x plus y whole square. Did you remember this? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Clear? First term square plus 2 times first term into second term plus second term square. Ulta sulta both you should know. If this is given, then you can factorize like this. If this is given, you can expand, you can write it expanded form by multiplying with x plus y with x plus y and x plus y. Right? So both way you should remember. If expanded form is given, you can get this form by factorization. If this form, simplified form is given, you can get this expanded form just by using this formula of expansion. Okay? Second is x minus y whole square. Difference is only middle term is minus. All this identity you have done it also in 8 and you have used it also. Right? You have done sums based on this in standard 8. Right? Chapter algebraic expression. In that you had done this 4 formula. Third is x square minus y square. Difference of 2 square. And fourth is product of x plus a into x plus b. These 4 formulas you have already learned in your standard 8. Difference of 2 square, then one bracket sum of their square root and another bracket difference of their square root. And product करना है तो x plus y into x minus y is x square minus y square. Sum of 2 number into difference of 2 number. Product of both is nothing but square of first number minus square of second number. In place of x and y, they can give any term, any number, any variable. Okay. This is if the formula, ready-made formula is x into x square plus ax plus bx should be written together. So a plus bx plus a into b. It is based on that factorization, splitting up. X square plus a plus bx plus ab. Find out product of ab as in 2 factors such that their sum is middle term. So a into b is ab and a plus b is a plus b. Middle term is a plus b. You split up, you open it, make a pair, you are going to get this 2 as a factor. Clear? Now some more formula. Formula of standard 9 now. See, 5th formula. From 5th formula of standard 9. What is this formula you know? Formulas are, did you remember any formula? See, instead of binomial, suppose you are asked to write the expansion of trinomial. What is the formula you know? X square first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 times first into second plus 2 times second into third plus 2 times third into first. I can derive this formula by keeping y plus z as t. See, I show you. if I start with the LHS, I take y plus z as t. So it is x plus t whole square. You applied your previous formula. It is x square plus 2tx plus t square. Now say goodbye to t. You put value of t as y plus z. Again you applied the previous formula. X square plus, open it, distributive property, 2xy plus 2xz. Plus here y square plus z square plus 2yz. Formula number 1. So automatically I got x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, and that is RHS. Clear? So this is the derivation of this formula. It may not be in your course. Okay? Clear? Sixth formula. Sixth formula is, what is the sixth formula? What is the sixth formula? Tell me. Sixth formula is x plus y whole cube. What is the expansion of this? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. If I open it, it is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. This way also you can write. Or if I want to factorize this x plus y whole cube, the another way of writing is x plus y, another bracket, x square minus xy plus y square. These are the two factors of x cube plus y cube. You remember this. Seventh, x minus y whole cube. It is x cube minus y cube. Minus y ka cube is minus y cube. Minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. So my answer is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Only 3 times negative, 2 times negative, 1 time positive. Clear? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. When I open it, it is 3x square y plus 3xy square. And another way of writing this is x minus y factors. X square plus xy plus y square. So 3 new formula you have learned. In 9th, still you are going to learn some more formula. 8. What is 8th formula you know? Formula number 8 is, suppose you are given x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. The factors are x plus y plus z, another bracket x square plus y square plus z square, and what more? Tell me. Minus xy or plus xy? Think over it. What is it? Plus xy plus yz plus zx or minus xy minus yz minus zx? What is the correct formula? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. 1 minus 3xyz. One factor is x plus y plus z. Another is a quadratic in 3 variable. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Clear? Children are making here mistake. They are writing plus. They are writing plus instead of minus. Because in x plus y plus z whole square also they have used plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So children are doing here mistake. And the another formula, it is given as a sum in your revision exercise 2.5. But I give you, you can remember this if you want to remember. It is 1/2 x plus y plus z. How it is coming? That I will show you. In exercise 2.5, they have asked you to prove that. So we are going to prove. It is x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x square. This is a modified formula of this, another form of this formula. Clear? So that we are doing it as a sum. So 4 formula you have learned in your 8 and 4 more formula you are learning in your, you study in 9th standard. You have to remember all 8 formulas. In a direct way, in a converse way. Okay, both way you should remember. And don't expect every time x, y and z. In place of x, y and z, they can put any variable, any number, anything. You should consider x, y, z as a 3 terms. Okay? These are the 3 terms. And addition of 3 terms ka square should be open like this. Right? Now we are doing sums based on this algebraic identity. Okay? Clear?